Hello, welcome to my channel Learning with Fun. I am Seema. Today I am going to talk about the very important topic, the phonics of English language. And before starting the topic, I am requesting to all, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. मेरी चैनल एक बार ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Now, let's start the today's topic. पहले स्कूल में बच्चे को A for apple, B for ball, C for cat ऐसे सिखाया जाता था. लेकिन अभी मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कूल में जॉली फोनिक्स से सिखाया जाता है. और जॉली फोनिक्स is a very effective tool for teaching children to read. Before going to jolly phonics, we have to know what is phonics. Phonics is the study of sounds in the English language or any other language. We use phonics to teach children how to identify different sounds so that they can read them and eventually they can write them. With the Jolly Phonics scheme, every letter has sound, action and song and even a story of its sound that go off its sound. English alphabet में 26 letters है and the sound is letter A, B, B, C, K, D, T, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, K and S together, Y, yo, and the last one is Z, अभी मैं एक्शन करके दिखाऊंगी. The first letter is A and the sound is It means an ant on my arm. The second letter is B and the sound is B. I'm hitting the ball with a bat. The next letter is C and the sound is K. I'm clicking castanets. And the fourth letter is D and the sound is D. I am playing with the drum. And the fifth letter is E and the sound is A. I crack the egg like this. Next letter is F and the sound is floating fish. And the next letter is G and the sound is G. We are hearing the water gurgles down the drain. And the next letter is I and the sound is A. Pretend to be a mouse by winging your finger at the end of your nose. And the next letter is J and the sound is Ch, jam and jelly. Next letter is K and the sound is K. Again, I am clicking customers. Next letter is L and the sound is L, L, L. I am licking lollipop. Next letter is M and the sound is yummy meal. And the next letter is N and the sound is the noisy sound of aeroplane. And the next letter is O and the sound is A. Switch on the light and off the light. On, off, on, off, on, off. And the next letter is P and the sound is P, 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 P. Puff out the candle on the cake. P, P. And the next letter is Q and the sound is Qua. Quack, 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 quack. The quack of the dog. Next letter is R and the sound is rrr, rrr. The lion rrr, the lion rrr. The next letter is S and the sound is S, S. The snake is in the grass. Next letter is T and the sound is T, 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 T. I'm watching the game of tennis. T, 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 T. And the next letter is U and the sound is A. I'm opening the umbrella. A, 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 A. And the next letter is B and the sound is I'm driving the motor car. And the next letter is W. Wa. Wa. Sound is wa. 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 Wind. And the next letter is X. And the sound is X. 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 I am clicking the photograph in a camera. And the next letter is Y. And the sound is Y. Y. I am eating yogurt. I am eating yogurt. And the next letter is Z. And the sound is Z. Z. A bee buzz like this. Z. Z.